Top 5 reasons to attend designers' markets. I am at the magnificent Royal Exhibition Building at Carlton in Melbourne, Australia. And what's happening at the Royal Exhibition Building this afternoon? The Big Design Market. The Big Design Market showcases some 200 indie designers and makers. It happens twice a year. Join me on a tour of the Royal Exhibition Building and the Big Design Market. Come along. At designers' markets, you get unique and handcrafted products that you would not find in regular retail stores. These products reflect the craftsmanship and creativity of indie designers. You can interact directly with the designers and makers. Listen to their stories, learn about their creative process and inspiration. This makes your shopping experience more personal and meaningful.
Hi, we use natural dyes. We have logwood here on the silk. We have red onion skins here. This is from mulberry.
Beautiful. And where are you based, Rana?
We're based in Alphington in Melbourne.
Right. And do you take custom orders also? Like if
We do. We take custom orders. We make beautiful things for our online store.
Yeah.
We give workshops. So follow us on tour_label on Instagram.
For more on eco dyeing, follow the shorts on Learn with Samita or the video in the card. Designers' markets offer a platform to local indie designers for showcasing their products and their talent. Donna Taylor of dotsbydonna.com uses stippling or pointillism to create artworks with thousands of dots. Every single detail is made up from thousands of freehand dots. Nothing is traced. By shopping at design markets, you are supporting local, handmade, artisan-based small businesses and sustaining indie designers in their creative enterprise. You are encouraging the growth of local design community. Here I must mention local Melbourne fashion designer Tara Whalley's magnificent installation against the backdrop of the Royal Exhibition Building's central dome. Designer markets are a hub of innovation. You can discover new styles, new techniques, new materials. Explore fresh ideas and aesthetics. Designer markets are lively and vibrant. Enjoy demonstrations, workshops, fashion shows, and so many interactive activities. Last but not the least, great food and coffee.
So we're doing a tufting workshop here. Basically, it's for making rugs. So you can choose your own design, and we will teach you how to use the tufting gun over there, the machine, to make your own product. Yeah.
And you also sell the machine, or do you
Oh,
sell?
we are just doing the classes there. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
DIY knitting and crochet kits, and Morgan and myself taught ourselves how to knit during lockdown, and yeah, we turned it into a business, and now we sell kits for total beginners, so you don't have to have any experience. It's all beginner friendly, and we also do crochet. So we learned how to crochet about 6 months ago, and now we sell crochet kits. So you can cut, like how it works is you pick your pattern, choose your style, customize your colors, and then we package up everything that you need, and you can make it yourself at home. And we've got YouTube videos for each technique to kind of help you along the way. And yeah, if you get stuck, you just give us we've got a knitting hotline on Instagram or emails, and yeah, we help you out.
Would you like to share something like an Instagram handle or something like that?
So our Instagram is cardigang_knits, and our website is cardigang.com.au.
Designer markets promote sustainability through local production, ethical practices, and use of sustainable raw materials. They support local designers who prioritize environmental and social responsibility. Designer markets empower the consumer to make informed, sustainable choices and contribute towards the growth of a green and ethical fashion and design industry. What's coming up next on Learn with Samita? Yes, I'll give you a clue. Wellness, spirituality, sustainability. You got it. Mind, Body, Spirit Festival. Till then, stay tuned, stay subscribed. Spread the Learn with Samita buzz among your pets, neighbors, colleagues, family, friends. Till next time, Samita signing off. Bye for now.